Welcome back to our Los Angeles walking tour. In part 2, we leave the city streets behind and head west to the iconic coastline, where the Pacific meets the sand. Our journey begins in Santa Monica, a city famous for its wide, golden beaches and its vibrant, laid-back atmosphere. At the foot of Colorado Avenue stands the world-famous Santa Monica Pier, a landmark that has defined the Southern California coast for over a century. Home to Pacific Park, the pier features the iconic solar-powered Ferris wheel, offering a bird's-eye view of the coastline. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Just blocks away is the 3rd Street Promenade, a bustling pedestrian mall known for its shopping, dining, and incredible street talent. As we continue south, the energy changes. Welcome to Venice Beach, where the eccentric and the artistic come together on the boardwalk. The Venice Skate Park is a local institution where skaters show off their skills with the Pacific Ocean as their backdrop. Nearby is Muscle Beach, the historic home of outdoor bodybuilding that helped put Venice on the global map. For a moment of peace, step away from the boardwalk and into the Venice canals, a hidden gem inspired by the canals of Italy. Further south lies Marina del Rey, the world's largest man-made small craft harbor, home to thousands of beautiful vessels. In the heart of Venice, Abbot Kinney Boulevard offers a mix of high-end boutiques and trendy cafes with an unmistakably cool vibe. Now we head north along the legendary Pacific Coast Highway, one of the most scenic drives in the entire world. Overlooking the coast is the Getty Center, an architectural marvel housing an incredible collection of art and spectacular gardens. From its terraces, you can see the entire city and the sparkling blue ocean stretching out toward the horizon. We've arrived in Malibu, a 21-mile stretch of prime coastline synonymous with surfing culture and Hollywood retreats. Surfrider Beach is where the local surf culture was born, and it remains a mecca for wave riders from around the world. For rugged beauty, El Matador State Beach offers dramatic sea caves and towering cliffs that are simply stunning. Zuma Beach provides a wide expanse of sand and surf, perfect for soaking in the quintessential Malibu sun. Our coastal tour ends at Point Dume, where the land meets the sea in a spectacular display of natural beauty. That concludes part 2 of our Los Angeles tour. Join us in part 3 as we explore the hidden gems in local culture. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in the next part.